Bone conduction. It sounds futuristic, right? Well, it's actually older than you think. Back in the 1800s, Beethoven, who was nearly deaf, figured out that he could hear music by biting on a metal rod that was attached to his piano. Insane, I know. So the vibrations would travel through this metal rod right to his jawbone and straight to his inner ear. Genius, right? Then during the World Wars, the soldiers would use bone conduction headsets to get commands in loud and chaotic battlefields without blocking their ears. Fast forward through the Cold War, spy gear and special forces tech, by the early 2000s, it finally hit the public market. And now it's a growing niche, especially for runners, bikers, and anyone who wants to be able to listen to things and also hear their surroundings. And now today we're taking a look at the Kbear O2s, which are using bone conduction to take your listening experience to the next level. They've adapted this technology to end lost vibration energy and bring higher quality low and ultra low frequencies. Do they actually deliver on the comfort and sound, or are they just cool looking tech with average performance? Let's find out. All right, let's unbox them. We got the Kbear box right here, looking all nice. Oh yeah, very nice looking. We got the purple looking Kbears right there. Opening the box up, we get the little Kbear logo, and we'll open up the box. And right away, you get the actual Kbears. We get a blue color that looks super duper sleek, I'm not even gonna lie. All right, taking out the Kbears, we got them. So these are wired headphones, which is pretty foreign for today. Most headphones are wireless. Definitely have to blow me away if they're gonna convince me. But we have the cable right here and the ear tips that they come with. All right, so when it comes to the price, these Kbears, they cost $40, so $39.99, which is actually pretty cheap for headphones these days. Like most of them are like upwards of 100, and so these are quite a bit cheaper. But as you can see, you have the buds right here, and all you do is you take this cable, and it has these little prongs to help with the lossless audio, and they plug in right here like this, and then you're all set. And you just put them in your ears. All right, so now I'm going to be testing the audio quality of these Kbears. One thing I do want to point out is that like you can hear the rattling of the bone conduction. It's almost like a vibration engine. And so like when I talk too loud, it's like makes a little vroom, vroom noise, which is pretty crazy. Well, let's get some music going and we can see just how good the audio quality is. Okay, so I just plugged it into my computer and we're going to play some music. All right, now we are in the Kbears right now. We're going to be testing them out. Let's do this. Wow. Okay, those sound amazing. I'm not gonna lie, I tried them a little bit earlier and I think that I wasn't plugged fully in because they sound amazing and they're so loud. These are by far the loudest headphones I've ever tried. Like, I'm like not even, here we go. Holy crap. Those things were like rattling my brain. Like the word skull crusher, I feel like that just crushed my skull. That was crazy. Wow. And the bass is super juicy with the vibration motors. Wow. Okay, honestly, they sound amazing. They sound amazing. If you can get over the wires, the high fidelity with the wires, they sound extremely good. And they are so loud. Wow. I'm extremely impressed with how these actually turned out. They sounded really good. Highly recommend on the audio. Like compared to like my AirPods, these blow them away. Wow, that was impressive. All right, testing 1, 2, 3. These are the Kbear O2 headphones, and this is the mic quality you can expect from them if you're on a phone call with them or anything like that. Hopefully they sound decent. Every time I talk, I do kind of get this little rattling. I wonder if that's like kind of the bone conduction stuff. Very interesting overall. Anyways, this is the mic quality. All right, so when it comes to the features, they have that strong, ultra strong bass, and that's due to the bone conduction drivers that they have. And they go in there and they just basically add that vibration bass to it, which makes it for an extremely awesome experience. They also have low and extremely low frequency drivers, which help with that audio quality as well. And they even have a beryllium plated diaphragm dynamic driver that sounds amazing. They also are made of a delicate resin shell that looks super nice, if you can see right there. There you go, there you go. And then they even have a high purity OFC cable which connects them to bring that awesome audio, and they are equipped with passive noise cancellation. Obviously they don't have active noise cancellation because there's no batteries, but they have the passive noise cancellation because they plug in just like that, and they have the ear tips. The way they fit in my ears is actually super well. They have this little wire and they have a little plastic part around the wire, and this goes perfectly around my ear. You have the ear tips and you just plug them right in just like that, like it's nothing. and they actually fit extremely well. And I really like the intertwined cable, which is extremely nice as well and high quality feeling. But like, all I'm gonna do is shake around and see if you can even, like, I don't think these are going out anywhere. Yeah, I don't think these things are falling anywhere, like they're locked into my ears. But yeah, they use the headphone jack to plug into my computer. So just right here, this goes right in. And yeah, overall the design is really nice. I feel like these are from people that are audiophiles and they're plugging into their computer because they don't want that slight lag and they want to get that high fidelity audio. All right, so in conclusion, after reviewing these KBEARs, I'm actually extremely impressed with how the audio turned out. They sounded really, really good when they're plugged in my computer, and the audio was insane. By far the loudest headphones I've ever tested in my life, and I've tested a lot of headphones. And the bass was insane, super juicy. I honestly was very impressed with the quality that these were able to produce. So yeah, anyways, if you want to check these out, the links are in the description. I know it's a super niche market and a lot of people are doing Bluetooth now, but like, if you're into this, wow, these are a good option. I would highly recommend them. Links in the description. Make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.